Hello, my creative and curious friends! Through this video, we'll continue learning about the Procreate mobile app for digital drawing. In this lesson, I'll show you the process of creating the various patterns we can use to complete our fashion figures outfit. We'll be using different transformation and selection tools for this. And we'll also create a background for our fashion illustration, applying a range of artistic brushes. I hope you will enjoy this lesson, and remember to let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be more than glad to reply to any question you may have. Please show your support also by liking, subscribing, activating the bell, and sharing. This means a lot to me and helps me create additional relevant and free content for you. On my Instagram profile, you can find the final results of this and many other projects. Enjoy this video and see you next time. To draw our outfit, let's start with the head. Choose the brush from the ink category, I prefer the technical pen, and the black color. Then draw the outline of the head. To color the different head parts, we can use the selection tool, choosing the freehand mode. Draw the selection along the outline. We can also save each selection to color or use them later on. Let's color the created selections using different shades of red. Let's keep on creating the outlines and details of our outfit. Then, let's change the brush and color. I'm using the ones applied to the head outline. Now we can move on to the first small star pattern to be applied to the boots. Draw the star, holding down at the end of each line to activate the straight line mode. Straight lines can also be obtained simply by touching the screen with a pen in two spaced apart points. Erase the intersecting lines from within the star. Duplicate the obtained layer and fill the underlying layer with yellow. Drag and drop in the color into the closed area to be filled. Let's color the outline of the first layer a darker shade, activating the alpha lock mode in the layer. Merge the two obtained layers using the Merge Down tool from the Layer option menu. Finally, let's reduce the size of the star by activating the Transform tool with the Uniform method. Then, duplicate the star layer, placing, with the Transform tool, the obtained objects in order to decorate the boots. Now let's paint the various parts of the boots with different colors, using the freehand mode from the selection tool. To decorate the upper part of the boots, use the star sample made for the first pattern and create the new one as previously done. To give volume to the boots and create shadows, duplicate the outline layer of the boots, blending it with a smudge tool. Let's select a brighter color to highlight the boots with light lines. Let's now move on to the creation of the dress. For the background of the fabric, color the different parts of the dress using the freehand selection mode. For the fabric behind the figure, create a layer copy of the dress and place it under the figure layer, coloring it a darker shade. Let's decrease the opacity of the dress flounces layers to give a transparent effect, using the blend mode from the Layers sub-menu. And now, let's move on to the head decoration. Draw the outline and color each decoration part. We'll be now creating the dress pattern. Let's change the brush, choosing the monoline dome-shaped one, and draw a straight line. Change the color and draw another parallel line next to the straight one, but make it thinner and brighter in color. Combine these two layers, duplicate the new one, and arrange the obtained objects next to the first one in a parallel way. Let's merge the layers back into one and duplicate the new layer many times, repeating the previous arrangement. Duplicate and merge again to create a larger pattern area. Then, using the transform tool, scale the pattern down proportionally to the figure and repeat the duplication and merging process once again. Now, to give a more natural look to the fabric, let's rotate the pattern by applying the uniform mode and distort or alter the texture where needed using the transform tool. Then, fill each dress part with the obtained pattern, selecting the clip and mask mode from the layer option menu. It's important that the pattern layers are located above the layers of the colored dress parts. Next, to draw the belt, switch brush and color, and fill the belt using the freehand selection mode. In order to color the buckle, you can simply use a brush of your choice. To give volume and a more natural look to the dress folds, let's blend the copy of the duplicate dress outline layer. Also, let's add more folds to the slightly darker colored fabric, activating the Multiply Blend mode from the Layers tool. Now, to decorate the dress, let's draw a lace insert along the lower flounce, choosing the brush from the texture category. Duplicate the lace layer and color the lower one a brighter color, activating Alpha Lock. Let's place the second object slightly above the first one. Add a ribbon to the edge of the dress using the monoline brush and choosing a brighter color. We're now at the last step, that of the creation of a background for our illustration, which we'll divide into several layers. The first and lower one, we're going to cover it completely using the brush from the luminance category and the light blue color. For the second layer, that of the ground, we'll be using the texture category and the brown color, and partially cover the lower part. The final layers will contain the fireworks, so we'll use the yellow, red, and blue colors and choose the brush from the luminance category. Our illustration is done! Great job! I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for new contents. Bye! Until next time.